SurveyMonkey is a user-friendly tool for creating, distributing, and analyzing surveys. Here's a quick guide to using it. Create an account. Go to SurveyMonkey's website and sign up for a free or paid account. Start a new survey. After logging in, click Create Survey. You can choose to start from scratch, use a template, or import questions from another survey. Design your survey. Add questions by selecting from various types. Customize each question, adjust the survey theme, and add logos or images if desired. Use branching and logic to guide respondents through different paths based on their answers. Configure survey settings. Set up options like anonymity, response limits, and notifications. You can also customize the survey's end message and redirect respondents to a specific URL after completion. Collect responses. Click Collect Responses to choose how to distribute your survey. You can send it via email, share a link, embed it on a website, or post it on social media. Analyze results. Monitor responses in real time. SurveyMonkey provides visual reports with charts and summaries. You can filter data, compare responses, and export results in various formats. Share and act on insights. Share your findings with stakeholders by exporting reports or sharing a link to the survey results.